this video, we will talk about how to directly send data to any nested component without passing it through multiple level of intermediate components. Here in app.js, we are passing this value is equal to Ujjwal in the component 1. And here in component 1, the child is component 2. So from component 1, we are passing the data to component 2. And here the child of component 2 is this component 3. So we are passing this data to component 3. And finally this data is rendering on the screen here. So what we want that instead of including these multiple components, these multiple parent component, I want to transfer this data from app.js to the child component of this component 2, which is the child of this component 1. So for doing this, we will use the concept of context. So for this, I am just creating here a new file context.js, and here I am importing React, creating a context here, constant user context is equal to react.create context. We have created the context here. Now we are creating the provider. So user context.provider. Similarly, just create the consumer here, consumer. Now I am going to export this user provider and user consumer. So here we have to change this to consumer. Export user provide consumer and user provider. Now come in app.js here, and here import that user provider which we have exported. So import user provider, import then user from this context. Okay, now here instead of passing here value, just cut this value, and here in user provider pass that value, and wrap this component 1 in this user provider. Save it, and now in this component 1, just don't pass this value, and also in component 2 just don't pass this value, because we are going to access this value in component 3 directly. So in component 3 just import this user consumer which we have exported from the context. So import user consumer from context. Just delete these all, and here user consumer, then create a arrow function here. So we have passed in app.js this value Ujjwal, and in any component you could render that value using this user consumer, and you could use here any variable. So I am taking here the variable ZU, then here return in div what this JU variable. You could return it with h1 tag also. Just save this and open your screen. Here you could see that value is passed successfully. You could extract this value which we have passed in this component 1, which is the parent component of this component 3, in any child component of this parent component. Hope so you understand it, that how to directly send data to any nested component without going through the loop of component in React. Thank you.